This is like living in the dark for 2-3 months and then going in the sun directly. Will you be able to open your eyes perfectly? No. You're gonna enjoy yourself. Yes, people. By the time you're watching this video, the gyms have already reopened. And what we're gonna do? We're gonna get all our gains back. We're gonna lift some more weight. We're gonna hit all our PRs. That is gonna happen for sure. But there's one more thing that will happen if you do not follow these 5 steps I'm gonna tell you in this video, which is you're gonna enjoy yourself. Why? Because your muscles are gonna go through something they haven't gone for a long period of time. You guys were on a break. You didn't lift. Maybe you're doing lightweight exercises, body weight exercises. For you people as well, I have a point in my mind. So make sure you watch this video till the end. It will help you benefit and will help you get all your muscles back and maybe even a better physique. The first point is going slow. What do I mean by that? When you enter the gym, when you rejoin the gym, you're going to start with light weights. For example, if 50 kgs was the maximum weight you're lifting on chest press, you're going to go only till 25 kgs. Why? Because your muscles are not adapted to lifting 50 kgs right now. You haven't been lifting for a long amount of time. This is like living in the dark for 2-3 months and then going in the sun directly. Will you be able to open your eyes perfectly? No. On the other hand, you will damage them. Same thing applies here. Yes, your body is going to be a little sore even then because you're lifting after a very long amount of time. But it is not going to be that sore that you're not going to come the next day. You'll still be able to continue gym for the next month and you will gradually increase the weight week by week till 1 month. By the end of 1 month, you'll be lifting the 50 kg weight again, but not before than that. If you do this, you're gonna make all your gains back without injuring yourself. That is gonna happen for sure. Because muscle memory is a thing. If you worked out and gained a decent amount of muscle in your body before lockdown and you lost it during lockdown, muscle memory is what's gonna happen in this case if you start lifting the right way, and you're gonna get all your muscles back for sure. But we have to make sure that we don't injure yourself, because injuring oneself should not be the cost of getting all your muscles back. Second point, train with mind-muscle connection. Mind-muscle connection is one of the most important technique that you're gonna implement when you go back to the gym. You haven't been lifting those weights for a long amount of time. It is gonna take time for you to realize that how your muscles worked before lockdown, how your muscles contracted, how your muscles were stretching. This is called mind-muscle connection, making sure that you're aware of how your muscles work. Contract them and stretch them with slow motion. Third point, make use of isolation movements more than your compound movements. Compound movements are those movements in which more than one muscle groups are involved. For example, your squats, your lunges, your bench presses. And isolation movements, your chest flies, cable flies, tricep extensions, bicep curls. These are your isolation movements because there's only one group involved. When you're training triceps and doing this, there's only tricep involved. There's no shoulder action, there's no legs action, there's no back action. But when you're doing squats, your back is involved, your hamstrings, your quads, even your calves, and even your whole posture has to be maintained the right way. And you're going to keep the weight on your traps. So there's going to be a whole lot of muscles involved. Don't do those movements for the first month because it can put a high toll on your body since you haven't been on the road of lifting heavy weights for a long amount of time. And even if you do 1 or 2 compound movements in your workout, make sure you lift very light weights and just focus on mind-muscle connection. Guys, I've been there, I've done that mistake. That is why I want you guys, my people, to not do the same. Do not train till failure. You're going to definitely enjoy yourselves. And most probably it will be your shoulders, because shoulders are one of the body parts that is involved in most of the movements. Be it pull-ups, be it bench presses, be it flies. Now the third point is staying in hypertrophy range of repetitions. Why? Hypertrophy range is something which is going to keep you away from injuring yourself because it involves doing high number of reps from 15 or more. This is the hypertrophy range. At least 15 reps should be done because that will make sure that you're not lifting very heavy. One person is not going to lift that much heavy if he is doing 15 reps. On the other hand, if you're just doing 8 to 10 reps, you'll probably lift more weight than you should. That is definitely going to help you gain all your muscles back and keep you injury free. Fourth point is diet related. See, you are in rest state. Your body is in rest state. Your muscles are in rest state. Your muscles are not involved in any active exercises. Your muscles have not been involved in any kind of vigorous exercises. So you are at the state of a beginner, a person who is starting the gym, and a person who has been taking a break for a long amount of time, let's say 2 months, is same. They fall in the same category. So what you're gonna do is keep your calories at maintenance, especially if you're an endomorph. Eat maintenance calories, and you're gonna see changes in your body in terms of losing fat and gaining muscle at the same time, because your body is going to recomp itself. And when your body is in that state, it can perform both of these processes of muscle building and losing fat at the same time. Make sure you're eating enough protein, carbohydrates and fats. I've made a whole video on it. Go watch that. I'll put a card here after this video, of course. My fifth point is for the ones who've been lifting even during lockdown and doing body weight exercises such as pull-ups, push-ups, or even explosive push-ups. Yes, definitely your muscles are in active state, but they are not yet ready to lift that much heavy. Do not do this mistake. You people as well should start with decent amount of weight. Do not train till failure at any cost for the first month of rejoining the gym, even if you've been lifting during lockdown. What I'd advise you guys to do is still for the first month work up to what you used to lift. Muscle building is a slow process. It takes time. Keep your calories at maintenance for the first month. Keep your calories around that. Lift decent weights. Not very light, not very heavy. These are the 2 key points I have for you guys. If you liked the video, give it one of these below, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you guys will know every time I upload a video. I try to do it every 4-5 days, and this channel is for the ones who are willing to self-improve themselves in terms of fitness and expressing themselves through fashion and style. If you really like the video, share it with one of your gym goer friends. It will also help them and keep them injury free. I'll see you in the next one.